Hi, I'm Kimberly Jenkins, licensed cosmetologist, WTS certified trichologist, and today I'm going to give you a day in the life of a trichologist here at Bauman Medical. I know a lot of people wonder, Kim, what is it like to work at Bauman Medical? Well, it's quite an experience. From the intake to our patients, to consultations, to analysis, to the different tools that we work out. But guess what? Today you're going to get a behind the scenes look at what it's like to work here at Bauman Medical. With the new patient consult, we want to do our consultation questions. So we want to find out as much information about the client as possible. So I'm going to have you place these glasses, and I want you to hold them for me. Make sure they're at the bridge of your nose. That way, if I pull or anything, they don't move. So this is the hair check, and basically every consultation we do a hair check, and then every 90 days, this is our follow-up. So this is how we know that the treatments that you're on are working. So every 90 days you'll come in and we will check your hair numbers, and we'll be able to tell you if you're going up or if you're going down. So I'm going to give you a sneak peek into where all the magic happens. This is where I create my customizable scalp treatments. This is where I do my microscopy with polarized lights, and also where I do my telephone consultations with patients from time to time. This is also the area in which I clean the CNCs and I get them ready to be applied to the patients. So another tool that we have in our toolbox when it comes to scalp treatments is a little manual exfoliation. So this is basically a microdermabrasion for your scalp. Hey guys, well, thank you for joining me. I'm glad I was able to give you a behind the scenes look at what happens here at Bauman Medical.